Good morning, Colerain All-Stars. I'm so excited to be here with you today. We're going to go ahead and start with math meeting. For this activity, you're going to need a pencil and a scrap piece of paper. Go ahead and pause the video and get those materials ready. Here with us today are our star pupils, Sam and Tank, and they're going to help us with math meeting today. Today is March 25th, 2020. Sam, would you come to the board and show us the date? Sam, show us the date. Look. What date is it today? March 25th, 2020. Look. Oh, now Tank wants to help. No, you guys, right there. Right there. Who's going to show us? Oh, Sam's got it. She found it. Today is March 25th, 2020. Go ahead and write that date on your scrap paper. So I hope you went ahead and wrote the day. It should look like this. Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. And I don't remember what day of school we left off on. Maybe you guys do. But let's just go ahead and say that this is our number of the day. 136. I want you to write the standard form, do you guys remember what that is? And the expanded form, and the written form. Okay, go ahead and pause your video and write those things down. Your board should now look like mine, or your piece of scrap paper should look like mine. So standard form, we just write the number 136. Expanded form, we write what each place value is worth. 100 plus 30 plus 6. And the written form, we spell that ONEHUNDRED THIRTY -SIX. If you want, you can go ahead and snap and clap 136 now. Now go ahead on your scrap piece of paper and make the same grid that I did. We're going to go ahead and fill that in. You may want to pause your video now so that you can have some time to write it. When you unpause the video, you will see the answers on my board. So remember, when you move up one, let me get a little closer. When you move up one space, we subtract by 10. So what's 10 less than 136 is 126. When we go down a row, we're adding 10. So 136 becomes 146. The only thing that's changing here is the tens place, right? Tank has decided to be the math meeting person. And remember, boys and girls, when we move to the left, we're subtracting 1. So we go from 136. Now the only place value that's changing is the ones place to 135 to 134. If we go to the right, it goes up by 1. 134, 135, and 136. I hope your board looks like mine. Go ahead and draw a circle on your scrap piece of paper and divide it into fourths. Remember, a fourth, 1/4, is 4 equal parts of something, or 4 fair shares of something. We're going to go ahead and label this with the numbers on the clock. So I'm going to put my 12 right here, my 3 right there, my 6 right here, and my 9 right here. I'm going to fill in the middle. 1, 2, and then here goes 4, 5. And this is the one I always mess up, remember? 7, 8, but I got it that time. And then 10, 11. All right? And if you want, you can erase your fraction, your partition, I should say. And we're going to go ahead, and I want you guys to write the analog time. So draw the minute hand and the hour for this time. Oh, wait. Sorry, I'm going to have to find a better way to record this. So we're going to write the analog time for this time. Can you draw the hour hands and the minute hands for 9:45? This one's a tricky one. Go ahead and pause your video and write the hands. Your clock should look like mine. The hour hand should be between the 9 and the 10 because it's almost 10 o'clock, but not quite 10 o'clock. And remember when we had those fractions, those partitions up, we said that the clock was divided into 4 equal parts. And there's another way to say 9:45. So if we draw the fraction again, the fourths, look what happens. We have 1/4 left until it turns 10 o'clock. When this minute hand moves up to the 12, it'll be 10. So another way that we can say 9:45 is to actually say quarter. You see that? Sorry. Quarter till 10. Okay? So if you ever hear somebody say it's a quarter till, that's because we've divided the clock into fourths. And another way to say 1/4 is 1/4. That's just like saying, that's equal to saying 1/4. Okay? And because we have 1/4 of the clock left until 10 o'clock, we say it's a quarter till 10. So that concludes our math meeting for Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. I will go ahead and put up the problem of the day now, and we'll do a quick mini lesson on plot graphs.